I wish I could concoct an evil plan like I used to, but I just lost that pizzazz. I mean, I guess I could just go back to the basics. Okay, just need to look for my roofies. Nope. Oh, they're right there. Alright, so... Okay. That might be too much. You might die from that. There. Now, just gotta... Perfect. Alright, now let's go get this to Sonic, and I'll make some more for his friends. Why am I just sitting on the floor? Oh, what the hell? Sonic, hello. So, I got this drink here for you. Why? What do I say? It's water. What's a pill in it? That's just sugar pill. Is it now? Well, you know, because I'm polite. What are you doing? I'm just gonna drink it. Now that he's drugged, I can take his stupid little head and... Not only that, but I can finally put them into my facility. Alright, I didn't even tell you about that. I'm going to take all of Sonic's friends and Mario's friends as well and put them into a facility where they will battle for an island resort. Doesn't sound very evil, does it? Well, shit, I guess you're right then. Ah, yes, finally. Took 6 minutes, but I got all the cups out. So the thing is, I kind of ran out of cups, so I had to use some bowls and some wine glasses and stuff. But that's besides the point. I shall now fill them all up with roofies. And also, come here, follow me. Okay, so this cup is especially for Princess Peach. I'm gonna put 2 roofies in there. The rest get 1. So yeah. Anyways, let's do it. Mamma mia. What happened last night? I don't remember a single thing. What the? What are you guys all doing here? Why are you all just behind me? Am I gonna be the one to say it? Eggman roofied us.
You know, I can get him arrested for this, and he will be in jail for a pretty long time.
I mean, yeah, it's getting arrested. Of course you're gonna be in jail for a long time. When the hell has this pink ball thing that's a girl clearly because it's pink, right, Radio? Up top, yeah. When has this been a part of the series? Like, seriously, when? I actually don't think they have a gender. Oh my god, shut up. This is gonna be hell, isn't it? Are you guys finally ready to shut up? Like, seriously. Like, I cannot even explain. That was the most painful 2 minutes of my life. Hearing you guys just on the whole freaking time. You guys need to actually learn when to just shut your mouth, okay? Anyways, I am Dr. Ivo Robotnik.
No.
Shut up. Shut up! I am Dr. Ivo Robotnik, and I have roofied all of you to compete in my competition. Sorry, I didn't actually write these on PalmCon, so this is just improv. You will be battling in SuperPlushBattle, which is literally, as it says, you're going to be battling for something, and that battle is for an island resort, totally. Yeah, so, the first competition is... I have to think about it. You have 5 minutes to talk to each other. Well, I say we should probably all get into teams. I mean, I've watched BFDI and Total Drummer Island before, so it's usually what they do, so, yeah.
Whenever did Eggman say that?
Well, one, why are we actually listening to our arch enemy? Like, and can you answer that?
I guess you got a point.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I say, Knuckles, Shadow, Tails, Amy wanna be on a team together, because, you know, we're the Sega characters. I mean, yeah, it's kind of what we were planning anyway, so, yeah.
Yeah, I'll go be on a team with you guys.
Okay, well, I guess we're getting into teams now. Okay, well, obviously it's gonna be Luigi, Waluigi, Wario, and Fat Yoshi. Well, Lord Bowser, I think we should logically just pair all the Koopas together. Wouldn't that make the most sense? That's excluding Daniel, right? I'd rather have Koopa Troopa on a team than Daniel. I mean, yeah, that we can exclude Daniel.
I'm gonna take that as an insult, but it doesn't really matter.
You guys are abandoning me? Wanna be on a team, Toad?
Yeah.
This team is gonna be so awesome.
Yeah, but the only problem is we're missing 2 other people to join it. What if we ask Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong?
Oh, yeah, that's so radical, dude.
Oh, Diddy, I love bananas so much. Let's eat these before we have to get into a team.
Yeah.
Diddy, bananas are so good. Like, who even created these?
You don't know? That's my dad.
Well, tell your dad I said thank you. Oh my god, this is so good.
Hey guys, you wanna join a team with us? We have Daniel and Shy Guy and me.
I mean, sure.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Just me and you now, ladies.
Ew, perv.
Whatever. Guess I'll just snuggle right in.
It's gonna be hell. Yo, Diddy?
Yeah?
Where do we even get this banana from? As soon as we kind of walked over here, it just kind of spawned in our hands.
Oh, you don't know? I pulled it out of my ass.
Oh.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah! It's the coolest thing I've ever seen, dude!
Let's dig in.
Hello, my monkeys!
Yo, what's up, dude?
Hello, yeah. You guys got into teams, I see. I didn't even tell you to do that. You just made my life a lot easier. Anyways, you guys can go get a good night's rest because the challenge will commence tomorrow. So yeah, sleep on the floor here since I don't have bed set up.
Alright.
What are you doing next to me?
It's okay, Sonic.
Yeah, high five.
Ugh.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we're still here. Well, why is classical music playing?
I think it's like an alarm.
Oh, I guess, okay.
Oh, well.
Should I go wake up Eggman? Oh, I'm flying with mandarins. See, morning time. I set my alarm to have beautiful classic music playing. Anyways, welcome to the world again. You lived another day. So, yeah. Anyways, did I tell you the challenge yet? No, I don't think I did. So you'll be trying to battle to get to the top of the refrigerator first. The first person to reach it is, gets immunity. And the last person to reach it, is up for elimination. So, yeah. But first, you guys have to think of team names. So, like, it could be like Team Sonic, it could be like Team Mario, it could be like anything like that. So, yeah. That's really annoying me. Better. Anyways, get to it. Hey, yo, Diddy.
Yeah.
Did you get anything what that fat guy just said over there?
Oh, you don't know? I have terminal hearing loss in both of my lower ear canals.
Is that like a real thing? Never heard that in my life.
Oh, you don't know? It's only for me. Diddy Kong.
Oh. Well. Get off a banana, like out of your ass, please.
Oh, well, I actually kind of ran out. I need to fill up more.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going back to sleep for a while. Banana.
Lazy pig.
What the?
How'd I get here? Must be the wind, eh?
They, for the creep.
Hey, what did I do?
Well, that was a great sleep. I think we can all agree with that, eh? Anyways, I think we should name ourselves Team Wario. You heard that stuff in your sleep. Luigi, there are things you don't know about me, okay? Okay. Yeah, so Team Wario, are we okay with that? No. Screw you then.
Well, I personally think it should be called Team McDonald's.
Yeah, that's better than Team Wario. Screw you! You know it's a bad name, right?
So, Team McDonald's or?
Yeah, Team McDonald's.
Okay.
This is stupid.
Team David! Who the hell is David?
You know what? Yeah, Team David. Let's do it.
Yeah. Why are you doing that? Hey! What?
Kamek, do you have any, names for the team? Do you have any ideas? I mean, we could just do something like Team Koopa. It's pretty boring and unoriginal. It's literally your last name, though. Fair point. You know, I'm, the best of all time, so, yeah, let's do Team Koopa. Yeah, Team Koopa! Yeah!
Shouldn't we be making a team name as well? Team Pollo!
Team Ladies.
We're going with what Kirby said, not you.
Kirby's a name.
I personally think it should be named Team Blood and Death and Slaughterhouse.
Oh, dude, that's so cool. That's so radical.
Yeah, I know. What do you think, Daniel?
Team Retard! Daniel, what happened to your eye, man? Team Blood, Death, and Slaughterhouse! Yay! Yay!
Well, I figured you guys got your team set up. If you didn't, you guys are incredibly irresponsible and don't know how to set things up properly, but besides that, so we have Team Blood, Death, and Slaughterhouse, Team David, Team McDonald's, Team Koopa, and what's the last one?
Team Players.
Team Pollo. I think that's what, he says in the game. Yeah, but, so, let's go on to the challenge. You see Mount Refrigerator up there? Well, you're gonna have to be reaching the top in, record time. The last person, the last team to reach it will be up for elimination, and you guys will have to vote one member of that team out. The first one to get up there, though, wins immunity, which is a 1-up mushroom from Super Mario. So, yeah, we're gonna get over to the starting position, and, well, we'll start the challenge, yeah! Alright, so you guys know the GIF. I've literally already explained it, but I'm just gonna say it again. The first one to get to the top gets immunity, and the last one is up for elimination. So, you may start. Okay guys, hear me out. What if we tie our—
No! Alright guys, so what if I pick all of you up one by one and get you all to the top?
Yeah, I mean that would work. Alright, let's go.
Alright, someone get on. Whee! Ah!
This is a great idea. I know. Move out of the way. How are we even supposed to get up there? And Luigi, why don't you just jump and hang off the edge and then we'll swing off you? That could work. Right. Alright, you guys get on now. Here are my legs. Yeah. Alright, so do I like climb up you guys? Yeah. Okay. Ow. Oh. Mamma mia. Oh. There we go. Alright. Now, Waluigi, get back on. Okay. Now I'll pull you guys all up. Wham. Oh, let me just... So, Magic Koopa? Yes, Lord? So the thing is, if we actually jump on that, we're gonna sink it. What are you suggesting we do? Someone's gonna have to go overboard. What? I'm not going overboard! You have to. Wait. What if I just make us, like, weigh nothing and we can just jump across it? Oh yeah, you can just do that. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Oh, that actually worked. Hey guys, what's this? Yay! Yo, Diddy, what are you doing just sitting on all those bananas?
Oh, you don't know? You can use these bananas as like a spaceship and fly all the way to the fridge.
You can? Do they have any fuel or anything?
No, the only fuel is you.
Oh, alright, let's use it then. Right, let's do this.
Oh, this is so radical, dude.
Yeah! Yay! Well, Team Blood, Death, and Slaughterhouse is the winners of this challenge. The rest of us will have to get up there before, like, the last one, so they don't get eliminated. Anyways, yes, so they win their one-up mushroom. So the whole team has immunity for the next one episode. Just jump, Sonic. Too scared, though. Guess let me just... Oh, wasn't even that bad. Should we like be doing the challenge?
Fire!
Wait, can you like fly? Oh, cool.
This is really boring.
Go kill yourself.
No, I can take that as offense and put it into the deputy office. That's a
I don't really want to go in the hot stove. What if I accidentally fall and burn myself? Oh my god. Alright, come on guys, let's go. Yeah.
yay! Whee! Oh, my booty!
You just glide. Oh. Alright, playing magic then back up. Yeah! Alright, let's keep going. What? Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, it's all wet in there. I think I can just like... See, I'm a Discord mod, so I'm scared of water. I swear you guys are actually retarded. Just do that. Just do that! It's not that hard. Okay? Oh, I'm scared.
Alright guys, so since this boat has been a bit sunken, we're gonna have to make our own new raft boat. I think I got the best idea. Alright guys, or should I say ladies, it's all safe to go past.
Pollo! Let's go, girly pops.
Okay, well, yeah. Well. Oh, wait, guys, there's a superstar over there. Wait, hold on. Oh, wow. I mean, I could turn into Wing Cat Mario, Rainbow Mario, or just Super Mario. So, let's see what happens. Wing Cat Mario, I see. Well, that's really good because, like, I could use it to, like, fly up there, so. Oh. Okay, so now we can grab Yoshi and freaking Luigi. Wait. Oh, lay off the burgers, Wario. Hey, shut up! Gotcha. Yes. Team McDonald's is safe. Now it's just up to Team Pollo, Team Koopa, and Team David. Now, let's be honest, Team Pollo is probably gonna lose. Right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so, let's keep watching. Okay. Now all we have to do is just get up there. What do you suggest we do? We literally can't fly, and you're like, we're like probably like 1,000 tons. So I don't think we can even make it up there. Look, we can manipulate Tails into flying us up there. I don't think you'd be able to fly up, but we can still do it. So how do you recommend we do that? You have a literal magic wand. You can just use your stuff to mind control it or something. Oh yeah, right. You will fly us up to the fridge. You will fly us up to the fridge. You will fly us up to the fridge.
I will follow master.
How the hell is he doing this?
The deed has been done.
Team Koopa is third. So now we just have to wait for Team Pollo and Team David. Let's keep watching. Are you serious?
What happened?
What do you mean? You just flew the Koopas up there.
No, I didn't. What? Who cares? We can just fly up and win.
Yeah.
Everyone get on. Yay! Yay!
Oh, damn, we lost. Maybe we can make it before Eggman notices.
Hey, give me a turn, eh? Wink.
Nobody love you. Well, we lost. Team Blood, Death, and Slaughterhouse has won immunity, and Team Pollo has lost, which means they will be up for elimination. Wait, sorry. So yeah, if they're up for elimination, all the characters will vote for them. In the next episode, there'll be a voting thing. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. This is Super Plush Battle Episode 1. See you later.
What did I even do wrong?